Now that we know how to make the first 6 adapters, we'll make the 3 half-inch adapters that are used in this display. We have here half-inch bolt and nut, half-inch nut and stud, a half-inch piece of hardware, an eye bolt, and it's all attached to this 2x4 with a carriage bolt. Now the adapters are half-inch bolt and nut attached to 3/4 PVC and then attached to 3/4 PVC fittings. This display is actually what you click on when you access our site. Now you can start to see a pattern. We start as before, but this time with a length of 3/4 PVC, and we cut our 3 3/4 inch long pieces of PVC pipe. Then we take our first bolt and we put a nut on the end. We take our second bolt, we put 2 nuts on the end, and again make sure that it turns freely. And we take our third bolt and we put a nut under the head to create the stud, and we put another nut on the end to protect the threads. Now I have one lined up in the vise to show that we can push it in the same way as we did in our prior video. Now that we know how to make the same adapters in half-inch, we are now up to 9 pieces of generic hardware. Thank you.